Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making the string safe to handle. Loosen the tuning peg until the string goes slack, because a taut string can snap and cause damage. Once the string is slack, either cut it close to the bridge for faster removal or unwind it at the head peg if you plan to reuse the tail. Make sure to drape a soft cloth over the body to protect the finish and bridge while you work, and keep fingers clear of the sound hole. Now focus on the connection points so you can remove the string cleanly. Unwind the string from the tuning post, guiding the end through the headstock or carefully untying the knot. Do this slowly to avoid sudden snaps. Next, release the ball end from the bridge slot or untie the tie block knot. You may need to wiggle gently to free it. While the string is out, inspect and clear the saddle and bridge area of grit because debris shortens. Finish up by cleaning the exposed areas and checking hardware. Clear any loose bits of debris from the bridge and saddle with a soft brush, and make sure tuning machines are snug, tighten screws if they wobble. If you see cracked glue or a damaged bridge, stop and repair before installing new strings because tension will make it worse. If new strings bind or break repeatedly, inspect the nut slots for sharp edges and carefully smooth them. This prevents continual breakage and improves tuning stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.